Welcome to SC Custom Design. So this is part 3 and the final part where Angela and Rocco are going to come back and they're going to use the ramp for the very first time.
Easy doing, easy going. Come on, up. Come on. Let's go. Come on, get up. Good boy.
All right. Fantastic.
That
Mission accomplished.
is awesome. That was amazing.
Cool.
It's just what he needed because he just needed a little help.
Yeah.
Just
Kind
a
of like
little
me,
help.
Angela. I just need a little help to get through life. That's
Yes,
all I need.
that's what I always say, Steve. Just a little help.
Hey, thanks for coming to SC Custom Designs. Angela, part
Thank
3.
you, SC.
Thank you for letting
Thank you
us
very
do this
much.
for you.
Oh my gosh, thank you for doing it. Now look how happy my dog is.
Aw. So, God bless, guys. And if you like what you're seeing, subscribe to our channel, please. Hit the bell if you want to be notified of any videos that immediately are uploaded. And let us know what you want. So, there you go. Thanks, guys, and God bless.